Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight we're going to be opening a blaster box of Topps 2024 baseball. Look for exclusive royal blue parallel base cards, Series 1. 7 packs, 12 cards per pack. So without further ado, let's get in there and get it open with our trusty Matco knife. One, two, three, 7 packs. There we go. All right, pack number 1. So open it and see what we get. We got Future Stars, Grayson Rodriguez. That's pretty cool. Josh Naylor, Fernando Tatis Jr., Marco Luciano, Mitch Keller, Future Stars Hunter Brown, Andrew Benintendi, Jake Fraley, Cabrian Hayes, Future Stars Riley Green. We got a Stars of MLB, Corbin Carroll, and a Spencer Horwitz. That's pack number 1. All right, so we'll set that there.
They sound so crispy.
Get open pack number 2. Crispy like fried bacon.
Brand spanking new.
Yep. All right. That is a pretty card. Tyler Soderstrom. Catcher, first baseman. Okay, that's pretty cool. Then we got Matt Manning, Ryan Jeffers, Andrew Abbott, rookie card, all-star rookie at that, Tyler Anderson, Ranger Suarez, Logan O'Hoppe, Jameson Talion. We got Stephen Kwan, Ji Hwan Bae, Sal Frelick 35th anniversary. That's a cool pack. Actually, those cards, those tops from that year were pretty good. Mookie Betts, Stars of MLB.
That's cool.
Set that there. And then we got an Aaron Judge. Dude was a phenom last year. He's still good, but he was on a tear last year.
Cool.
So, got that. Let me go back and take up the one that we got there. There we go.
The Orioles on top.
Yeah, Grayson Rodriguez. Yeah, my wife and I are partial to the O's. Her because she's from Baltimore. Me because Baltimore drafted my uncle. Okay, we got Cole Reagans, Christian Bettencourt, Brendan White, Alec Thomas, Shea Langeliers, Elites of the Game, Shohei Ohtani and Betts share a HUD mid-game. That's cool. Tarek Skubal, Jason Dominguez, Spencer Torkelson. We got a Logan O'Hoppe Future Stars. That's cool. That's a foil. And then we got a Pete Crow Armstrong, Stars of MLB. That's cool.
I like that one.
Chaz McCormick. All right.
Ooh, good looking card.
Yeah, they are nice. Nice looking cards. We got a Randy Arozarena. That's cool.
Ooh.
Got a Max Muncy, Jacob deGrom, Alex Marsh, Rowdy Tellez, Luis Matos, Andy Ibanez, Jake Berger, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Dean Kramer, a Christopher Morel hits a walk-off home run. That's cool. Then we got a Jazz Chisholm Jr. And then a Miles Mikolas. All right. We got Joey Votto, Zach Wheeler, Gabriel Moreno, Future Stars, Chris Bryant, Luis Castillo, Joe Jacques, Wilmer Flores, Emmett Sheehan, Michael Kopech, Andrew Benintendi, excuse me, Corey Seager, Stars of MLB. Then we got a Keaton Wynn. Yeah, my wife and I were in Target earlier today, and I had her pick me out a blaster pack, a blaster box, so that's what she did. Salvador Perez, that's a cool one. Then we got a Ha-Sung Kim, Jordan Westberg, Eduardo Rodriguez, Michael Garcia, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. We got a gold, is that gold? Brady Singer. Maybe, I don't, that might not be gold. Might just be what it is. Yeah, that's just what it is. Royals. Then we got Tyler Glasnow, JJ Bleday, New York Smiles, Mets heavy hitter Cher Laugh, Ceddanne Rafaela, a Riley Green, Stars of MLB, and then an Andrew Vaughn. All right, guys, last pack. Let's see what we get. Tyler Soderstrom, Daniel Bard, Trent Grisham, Henry Davis, Samad Taylor, Zach Gallen, Nico Horner, Garrett Cole, Freddie Freeman. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I like that. Is that numbered? No, that's just a parallel, so we'll set that there. And then we got the home run challenge, Freddie Freeman. That's cool. And then we got Christian Encarnacion Strand, and then an Alec Bohm. All right, guys, well, that's it. That's what we got for the Topps 2024 Blaster Box. So, hope y'all enjoyed it just like we did. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it. Good night.